Hello everyone, today I would like to show you how to recover suspended Instagram account. If you have lost access to your Instagram account and they are facing too many failure attempts and other issues, so how you can fix all these things. So first of all, open the Instagram. We suspended your account, 180 days left to appeal, or we'll permanently disable your account. And why this happened: your account or activity on it doesn't follow our community guidelines on account integrity and authentic identity. Click on appeal. Then enter the code below. And click on next. After that, here enter your email address. We'll send a confirmation code to this email address. And send. Enter the 6-digit verification code we sent to your Gmail. So I'm already copying and pasting that code. Next. And here select own country. Then enter your mobile number to verification code by text message. And send. So my code has arrived. Next. You submitted an appeal on the 12th of September, 2024. It usually takes us just over a day to review your information. We'll take another look at your account. If we find that your account does follow our community guidelines, you'll be able to use Instagram again. If we find that your account doesn't follow our community guidelines, it will be permanently disabled and you won't be able to appeal again. After wait, account successfully recovered. You're back on Instagram. We reviewed your account and found that it does follow our community guidelines on account integrity and authentic identity. Open Instagram and log in. I hope this video has helped you. Don't forget like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.